Notes Client Optimizer, or NCO, is a HCL Notes optimization tool which increases note speed and performance, including local mailboxes and apps. Basically, this tool resolves most Notes client slowness issues in just a few clicks. It was designed specifically for non-technical users and IT help desk, but it could be used by anyone, including Domino administrators and developers. So whenever there is a slowness issue, the end user would run this tool. And ideally, it would be great to run this every X months to be proactive. Notes could get slow for different reasons. It could be corruption, fragmentation, antivirus, temporary files, user behavior such as opening way too many tabs in Notes clients and web browsers, and hardware resources. So, I mean, basically running this tool would be similar in concept to running Windows Disk Cleanup and Disk Defragmenter. All right, so let me show you a little bit about how this works. I'm using a Windows desktop right now that has 16 gig RAM and very old i7 CPU. Now, it's essentially a Notes app which can be installed either locally on the user's desktop or on a server. But probably easier, you could just email the user the Notes app, which is whoever is having the slowness issue. So over here, I got an email from the help desk. I'm going to open it up. Some basic instructions inside of it that says open attached file. We recommend to watch an instructional YouTube video, which is this one, and some tips. Before the help desk mails this app to the user, they'll sign it. There's an automated signing button and activate the license. Okay, here we go. We'll click accept. We'll edit the profile. And as you can see, there's many different settings. These are all the default settings. Everything's set to yes. The only thing that is set to no is the auto start Notes in basic mode. We don't have to do that unless there's an issue with running this with that unchecked. And also, we don't have it resetting the Notes bookmarks or the Notes workspace. So if there is an issue and after running this tool, you could come back here and change the settings and select everything to yes. Now, you're probably asking, does it delete anything of the user settings? No. It never deletes any settings. It just renames the files and folders. I'll show you a little bit about that in a second. And on the right side, we have a lot of tips, guidance, and health tips and other things like that. All right, so we'll click this button to auto-create. And now it created a Notes Client Desktop.cmd Windows script file. That's how this tool works. It creates a Windows command script file. So now it says to close Notes. We'll close the Notes down. And now you see we're in the Downloads folder, but I know I selected the Desktop folder, but I just ran this earlier and put it in the Downloads folder. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to click this. All right. And it opens up this black window. It gives some instructions, some more tips here. This is the file that the user could run whenever there's a slowness issue every X months. They just run this file. They don't have to keep using the tool over and over unless they want to change settings. Okay, so now I'm going to click another key to continue. It's going to close any Notes tasks that happen to be opened or maybe crashed or anything like that. It's telling me to ignore any errors or warnings. So here we go. All right, so now it's going to output some of the resetting tasks it's doing, like the Notes temp folder, Notes cache, Notes log, etc. As you can see, there's a backup ID. This is in the file name. When it renames the file, it's going to have that in there, 8934 in this case. It says system cannot find the file, probably because the cache was removed when I closed Notes. Same with this one. All right, so sometimes they're not deleted when you close Notes, which could be a problem, which is why this tool will fix it. Okay, now we're up to one of the steps that says fix corrupted Notes emails and records in mailboxes and apps. Okay, you can see the command that it's going to issue, which the Domino admin people will understand what that means. This is going to take too long for this demo, so I'm going to click escape to skip this task. All right, and the next task is compacting the local Notes mailboxes and apps, and with forcing all compression options. You can also see it's It's forcing the new ODS file format for better performance. I'm going to skip this one as well. I also want to mention, it says it here on the screen, but the users, as they type their password, they won't see what they're typing. So that's just a little caveat, and you can't bypass Notes security. So most likely they'll be prompted here unless there's a setting in Notes that's says don't no password or etc. There's different options that this might be bypassed, but otherwise they'll be prompted. I'm going to hit escape again to skip this one, and he's going to run. The next task is fixing corrupt Notes views in local mailboxes and apps. I'm going to again skip this one, and one last one would be the fixing corrupted Notes full text indexes. All right, so I'm going to skip this one. Each one of these steps might run for several minutes, depending on how many apps and mailboxes you have on your local desktop. It also runs on any other system databases like contacts, etc., directories, Domino directories that might be local. I'm going to hit escape. It now says the Notes client optimizer has finished. It's going to restart Notes. This will take longer to start because it's reset a lot of options. So I'm going to click enter. It's going to ask me for my password. Okay, Notes is restarting, so it's going to take longer than normal, but the next time we restart it, it's going to be much faster. Right now, it's because it's building like the Eclipse workspace and different things like that. All right, so we're just going to wait for this to complete. If you set the profile to auto start in basic mode, it would have started in basic mode. Let's see. So here we go. It just restarted, and there you have it. We're back to some better performance. And here, the Notes version I happen to be running is 12.02 Fixpack 7. So that's basically it. And if you have any more questions, you could feel free to contact us on the website or give us a call. You could open a ticket on the website as well. All right, that's about it. Thank you.